Located amidst the charming white town of Pondicherry, the Coromandel Cafe is the perfect stop for food lovers. Right from the moment you enter the restaurant, you feel a sense of warmth and calm, setting the mood for an enjoyable meal. The palm filled courtyard with the afternoon sun playing hide and seek will soothe your senses. The pink walls, red washed floors, and the brightly lit white columns tells the story of a distant past. As you enter, you are not only greeted with the charming smiles of the courteous staff but also the stunningly decorated yet simple interiors. We took our seats to order our meal and we were surprised to see how fast we were served. We started with a light French seafood plate which was sauteed in a sauce of garlic, olives, onions, and a whole lot of awesomeness. And yes, it was also accompanied by a mini bagel. The prawns were soft and juicy, and this was the perfect start to the meal. Next, we had a plate of fish and chips, which was a special treat for the day. And our final dish was the lip smacking, generous portion of pork chops. Hosted in a fine mustard sauce but maintaining the earthy flavors, topped with some crispy curry leaves, the dish was just wholesome. After our meal, I had to do some method acting while the surprise cake arrived. It was indeed a surprise as we finished off the meal with awesome cheesecake and wishing Mona a very, very happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mona. Happy birthday to you.
This was indeed an amazing experience to spend some time together while we pose for our final picture. So if you like the video, please let us know. We love to read your comments, and if you have any questions or feedbacks, you are most welcome to share them as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Till the next time, goodbye.